All right, I think this is part 14, Under the Wings 79 in progress. I cut up a bunch of the jigsaw puzzle pieces I picked up on a sidewalk a few days ago. And I had to peel the backs off. My fingernails are pretty short, but I managed to do it. So now I'm going to glue these down on here. Well, I may get a couple of, see if I can get a couple of tiny pieces, really little to fit in there and there, and there, and there. All right, to be continued. It's moving along here. Here's the color drawing pieces I added to get some color to the fabric of her jacket or coat. The Hebrew letter there, the chicken, the portrait, and these are going to be drawn with ink and or watercolor and or colored pencil, the allegorical sea monsters. All right, to be continued.